guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a wig review. So lately my hair has been growing. I'm really happy with the growth and everything, but honestly I just don't know what to do with it because it's in this awkward stage of growing and I really don't know how to rock my hair when I'm in my uniform. So it's easier for me to either wear sew-ins, wigs, or my set it off braids. So I went and I purchased me another wig, and I went to my beauty supply store and I ended up getting the extended part lace wig. This wig is made from the Janet collection and I got her in style June. So on the mannequin had the golden bronze, which is this color here. Can you guys see it? Yeah, so it's this color here. And when I seen it on the mannequin, I said yes, it was giving me very Beyonce vibes. So I said this wig will be really cute. Even though I gotta get it in a 1B to stay within the regs, I still thought it was a cute style. So I will be doing a review on this wig today. So if you want to see this review, please stay tuned. So go ahead and get June out of her package. What the hell? Okay. So this is what June looks like when you take her out of her package. She's pretty long. I got it in a 1B if anyone wants to know. It's not a 1, it's a 1B. It's a little bit lighter than the 1. So this is what she looks like outside the package. As you see, she do got some flips and little curls to her. The inside, let's see here. Okay, so she has 2 combs in the front and no combs in the back. So as you see, you'll just have to adjust your strap. She does look big head friendly for all my big head sisters. When it comes to these wigs, you know, you can get you some room, honey. And then this is the part that we'll be working with right here. So this is what she looks like, just straight outside of the box. And like I said, this was the color that was on the mannequin. That golden bronze is so pretty. Like, it was so pretty on the mannequin. So hopefully this 1B would do what I want it to do for me. We shall see. So I'm gonna go ahead and go cut the lace and then I will come back. Okay, so this is what June looks like. I literally plucked her a little bit and I put some concealer in the parts, and this is what she looks like. June is very thick, very full, which I really like because I don't like my wigs and my weaves to be looking stingy. Like, I need body, baby. And June is definitely giving me body. She is very long, so it's a good length, which I like too because you don't want it to be too short, especially since I'm gonna be wearing this unit in my duty uniform. I'm gonna have to wear my bun. I don't need my bun to be looking stingy. I need my bun to have some body and to be full. So June is very nice. The only thing I would say about June that I do not like right now is the shedding. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but like, I'm literally just running my hands through her and she's just shedding. She's shedding all over my dress and all on my floor. But other than that, June is a nice wig. Like, it's very thick, it's very full, it's a yaki texture and it's a yaki look, so it doesn't give you that wiggy, shiny look. It's a very natural looking wig and I really like June. Like, she is really pretty. The curls are nice too. And the fact that I really didn't have to do anything to her, like I said, I plucked a little bit for the part and I just put some concealer on there and that was about it. So tell me what y'all think, honey, because June is giving me summer vibes. So anyway, like I said, I got this hair from the beauty supply store. I paid $40 for her, and this is from the Janet collection, and you can actually curl her up to 360 degrees. I can't see myself curling this wig. I doubt I'll straighten it. Honestly, I'm really gonna be rocking this unit in a bun. I might wear her out and down on the weekends, but as far as the work week, she will be in a ponytail wrapped in a bun. June is a synthetic wig. I got her from the beauty supply store. I paid $40. You can definitely try to order her online for cheaper. Other than the shedding, I really do like this wig. It is full and it's just a natural look to it and it's a natural feel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see y'all next time.